All right, so let's talk about Jasmy real quick. The current price of Jasmy is trading at around 0.0127, and we are left with 3 hours until this current 4-hour candle closes. Now, I was expecting Jasmy to pump into this high, you understand, properly pump into this high, the high around 0.013, but reverse was the case. We pumped into this minor bearish order block and then got a rejection from there. So I think if we are to retrace this pump, then Jasmy is likely to get a reversal from around 0.0124. That zone is likely to be a zone for whoever want to long Jasmy, to long from there, you get. And we are still here to like tap into this very, very important bearish order block. But first, we need to sweep this inside liquidity. You understand? The liquidity we have inside here, we need to sweep them, sweep the main liquidity here, and then properly tap into this bearish order block, retrace to the downside to around 0.014, and then pump back to the upside. So the moment Jasmycoin is approaching this bearish order block, I think the first approach of Jasmy to the bearish order block is likely to get retraced. If you're here to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button. For those new to this channel, my name is Isaac. You're welcome. If you're here to subscribe, click the subscribe button, subscription button, subscribe, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time we drop new video. Now, the first attempt to tap into this bearish order block is likely to be met with a rejection, but the second and the third attempt is likely to invalidate it, provided the trading volume of Jasmycoin continues to like increase. Now, if you're paying attention, the trading volume is up 45% in the last 24 hours. We are currently at $37.5 million in trading volume. Jasmy has also like recovered, has a decent recovery in the last 24 hours as well. In the long run, we should expect easy 50 cents for the price of Jasmycoin. Now, the maximum supply is currently at 50 billion Jasmycoin, circulating supply 49.44 billion Jasmycoin. So getting a 50 cent on Jasmycoin is likely to take the market cap to around $25 billion, which is very, very possible as well. Now, if you're paying attention, the current market cap is still extremely undervalued. We are currently at $630 million in market valuation for Jasmycoin. Now, we are going to talk about briefly. So we are briefly going to talk about the BTC price, the BTC dominance chart, and also the orders chart, you understand, in order to get a clear picture of what we should expect. If you're paying attention, the current entire cryptocurrency market fear and greed index is seated at 52%, which is indicating neutral. Altcoin season indicator is still sitting at 28%. We need to see it increase to 50, 100% and stay there for weeks, you understand, in order for our altcoins to like rally hard, very, very hard. Now, if you're paying attention to the BTC dominance on the 4-hour time frame, I think I drew you guys attention to this BTC dominance in our last video, and I told you from the look of things, the BTC dominance is trying to retrace, and we should be expecting it to retrace to around what zone did it draw? To around 6.45%. So the BTC dominance retraced to, I think, close to the 6.45% we talked about. It dropped all the way to 6.46%. Remember, the prediction was for the BTC dominance to drop to 6.45%, but it dropped to 6.46% and got a slight pump to the upside. Now, let's just pray. I just pray it loses this area we are expecting it to drop to. It's likely to get a bounce from there, by the way, but I want it to lose, because the moment the BTC dominance start correcting, retracing aggressively, and you see the BTC price pumping, that is a clear sign that altcoins are going to explode. By the way, let's even talk about the BTC price real quick on the 4-hour time frame. This our long limit order is still kind of valid, you understand. So anytime the price of BTC tapped into this POI zone, we are going to get a trigger buy, you understand, to the upside. The signal is still valid. So the BTC price is aggressively retracing. The current price is seated at $110,612. We are left with 3 hours and 4 minutes until this current 4-hour candle closes. Now it has retraced. I think it's trying to retrace this huge 4-hour candle pump it had few hours ago. So I'm expecting it to like get a reversal pump from around $10,000 and from around $110,000 and also $109,722. So this zone is likely to be a reversal zone for the BTC price to pump to the upside. You understand? In my own opinion, I might be wrong, but that is where I'll be looking to like take a long entry. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. If you're paying attention to the others chart, we've talked about this chart countless times as well, and I notice most of you are enjoying the others chart I brought to your attention recently on this channel. Now the others chart is the entire cryptocurrency market cap excluding top 10 or excluding the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. And the others chart market cap is currently seated at $243 billion. Now, this is the weekly time frame. The last time this pattern formed, when we broke out, flipped it into a support, we got a massive rally in over 5 weeks, non-stop pump on the altcoins. The good thing is we've broken out of the the trend line, flipped it into a support. So sooner or later, we are going to get that huge, monstrous pump to the upside. Now, I think this pump might align with the altcoin season we all have been waiting for this time around. So by the time we start getting this pump, then we should expect to take out this previous high, which is around $491 billion, which was the previous high in 2021 November. You understand, in the last bull market cycle. And considering the institutional adoption, the global adoption of cryptocurrencies this time around, I think the pump is going to be very, 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 very aggressive this time around, thereby taking out this high, flip it into a support, tap into $600 billion, $700 billion in market cap for the others chart. Now, the truth of the matter is we might even go all the way to $1 trillion and even maybe above. You never can tell. So this is the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame. We are currently seated at 64.78%. We are left with 22 days and 3 hours until this current monthly candle closes. I think the monthly candle is now retracing gradually after being stable since the month of July began. It is now retracing. You understand? We need to see it retrace aggressively to the downside in order to welcome ourselves into a full-blown altcoin season. The moment you start seeing the BTC dominant retrace aggressively to the downside and you see BTC price pumping, then altcoins are definitely going to explode. But when you see the BTC dominant retracing and you see BTC price consolidating, then altcoins are going to have a relief pump, a relief rally. But if the BTC dominance is going upward, pumping, and BTC price is either dropping or pumping, then altcoins are going to bleed. They are going to dump. We need to see a massive retracement. By the time the retracement happens to around 47%, I'm going to be selling majority of my portfolio, taking massive profit off, because by then the entire market should be in a monstrous mode then. That's that for that. As always, my name is Isaac. Invest wisely. If you're yet to like this video, smash the like button, share this video with your friends and family. Peace out.